And good morning, Jason Fox back here again, and we've come up to Auckland this morning to the Britain Euro Classic Car Show. So already looking at a nice 1990 M3. Come for a journey and we'll see what we can find. Taking me back, had one of these when I was about 20. But here's the real one right here. Look at that, 1990 they created the guards and my car's gone and copied them in 2020. Well, this is what we came up and hoped to see. Absolutely beautiful. Let's look for some for sale signs. Absolute life gold. I might have to hand them the keys to the RS4 and take this one. I'll find a way to fit the kids in. Absolutely beautiful.
Which one do you prefer to drive?
Poor boy. He's suffering alright owning this. I may be in heaven. How good. Little ducktail. Check out the cage in the back of this. How good having these sitting side by side. Oh, this 911 Turbo, 997, check it out. Just stunning. Just love the stark contrast between these two. Look at that, 911 GT4, Porsche's mid-engine. Could own one of these if I didn't have kids to carry around. Similar money to the RS4. Just good. And the Porsches continue. These are quite affordable if you want an entry-level Porsche. Obviously going up and up every day. We haven't even got over to this sort of stuff yet. Probably started with the best first, in my opinion. But yeah, just brilliant. Definitely worth the trip up this morning to see some new cars, give you some new content. Get down in the comments. Let me know if you're liking this, if I need to be coming up, making the trips out of town more often for you. If you appreciate it, I'll make the effort. If you don't, I won't. So here we've got all the aired out cars. Ferrari wheels on it, right at home. Ducktail, big diffuser on the back of it. So everything's aired out here. Company auto starts by the looks. Fuses, Golf, it's RH4. Absolutely tucking those wheels. Done the same to a TT. And coming into the big dog. Check out this thing. R8 on the ground. Another R8. Standard. Head. Madness. Beautiful looking car. This one here. Carbon spoiler. Carbon all down the side. And the madness continues. Volvo's pretty mad. How do you like that for clearance? Got some bugs over here in similar stance. I think this is just a car park, but look what we've got hiding around here. Immaculate. Beautiful red. Cream interior. So we've got the Lotus here, beautiful RS 2000, 74,000 Ks, guys owned it for 40 years, never dinged. And then the Sierra Cosworth. These were the car to have back in the day, weren't they? Heaps more escorts along here. Check this out. Beautiful. Tuck-in rim. Trumpets. Alloy radiator. Check out those headers. Oh, sorry. That could almost be the car of the show. Full caged. Man, this will be some fun. Incredible. After having your mind blown by that last one, we'll go through some of these other cars. Beautiful Mark 1. Nice headers on it. Naturally aspirated engines, you want to get them breathing. Old rally car, Rothman livery. Very cool. Someone's got something pretty crazy in build here. Be interesting to see this one out. Full kit, full cage.
We'll go from here to Hampton Downs, play around the track, and drive home again. And bring it through to shows and stuff like that. And just people just enjoy it.
Don't worry guys, we're not done yet. Horse time.
It's got these are all
The old V12s. It's a bit of kit. Left hand hook, been imported at some stage. Beautiful Dino. We were just talking about these on the way up. We know someone who's brought one recently. Say it's probably not his one. I doubt he's come up for it. Very cool.
Scared off by how
Jump a few generations into this.
In between the Austin Vintage and the motorcycles.
Yeah, no, I think you nailed it.
Prancing horses everywhere.
Because it's all about stepping back.
NZ, but here's one. Good company next to a nice Maserati. And this thing actually has some pretty cool lines on it. Fancy. Come around the back of the Lambo for you. 25th edition. Good interior on this. Got a heap of people here today, so we're tripping over people trying to get angles on things.
Yeah,
This little white thing over here looks pretty cool too.
yeah.
Must be a McLaren. Check this out. Full on race car. Chaos. Is that a motorbike engine? Kawasaki. That'd be a lot of fun. It'd be so light on the handle. Got the, yeah, definitely McLaren inspired. Pipe right out the middle, seat in the middle. Crazy. That'd be a lot of fun. Yeah. Smashing through 2 shows today to bring you this content. These Lancias are bloody beautiful. Let's go around and check out the engine on this. That's cool, full rear flip. Twin turbo, twin intercoolers. So we have here supercharged. Supercharger sitting up in here by looks. And then this one you got twin turbo. Get in the comments and tell me some things about these cars, guys, because I know nothing about them. But got the Abarth engine. Man, there's some kit in here. Diff in the back end. And this thing. Got the intakes there. Where's the turbos? Can't actually get your head in there. Oh, there we go.
Brother-in-law's got the
There's one.
4 WRC one of these.
Yep.
Every time then.
Late model Alpha. Almost bought one of these a couple of years ago. Hell of a lot of fun. They drive really well. If you get the opportunity, take it up. Just when you thought you were getting to the end, you run into these. Those of you that play Forza Horizon probably raced one of these. Oh. Nice set of downdrafts. Check out this thing. Chaos. Madness. Try and get through out of everyone's way here. Getting a lot of attention through here. Look at this. Sorry if some of this is a bit rushed, but as you can see there's plenty of people tripping over these cars. I love the leather hood straps. Another one there with the side exit exhaust. Twin cam, check out this Mark 1, this is a thing of beauty. Didn't think I was coming all this way to look at Fords, but some beautiful cars here. Love the flares. It's just super clean. Torn way to walk here, but check this out, this is cool. Robinson Special 1300 4K, what we used to roll in our Corollas. A little bit lighter car though, a very high revving engine when built. You'd have a lot of fun driving around in that.
Neither do I, but I do.
Triumph Spitfire. These cars are coolest. Sound amazing with the Webbers, they always do. You don't get that induction sound anymore. Row of herons. No idea what they are. But this? Mad. Absolutely mad. Check it out. 2.5 4-cylinder. 5-speed. That's all you need in a body that small. Check out the gear shifter. That'd be carnage to drive, wouldn't it? Wouldn't want to be rear-ended. Had one of these on the Northern Tour with us. Beautiful. Wow. Check that interior. Full resto, absolutely stunning. 57 3568. Alloy wheels. if you look at these old Porsches and you don't like them, I suggest you go and see a doctor and get your head evaluated, because these cars are art. Wow. And the madness continues. Okay, so helmet on that one. Heap of Lotuses, some Astons, another Porsche. Probably see a few Astons where we're going shortly at the next show, so stay tuned for the other video. Alright guys, we've seen, we've absolutely roasted. It's turned out to be about 25 degrees here today. All black everything, not the smartest move. So yep, like, subscribe, get down in the comments, tell me what your favourite car was, tell me if you want to see more of this, and I'll make the effort. If you don't, I won't. Cheers guys, see you.